Hello and welcome to another lecture in Bitcoin Full Node series by TechLatest.net. So what we had covered a lot of things like what is Bitcoin Full Node, why you run a Bitcoin Full Node, and like what are the various benefits of using Bitcoin Full Node VM of TechLatest.net, and like how you use it. Then in this lecture we'll talking about like how to provision Bitcoin full node on Google Cloud Platform. So basically this is a step-by-step process, and this lecture is step by this in this lecture we'll show you a step-by-step process demonstration process and all the things like how you set up a Bitcoin full node or how you install and set up a Bitcoin full node on Google Cloud Platform. So today we are diving into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies by showing you to install Bitcoin full node with ordinal protocol support on Ubuntu Google Cloud Platform virtual machine. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's understand what we are working with. A Bitcoin full node is a crucial component of a Bitcoin network, allowing users to validate transactions and blocks independently. Ordinal protocol enhances this by providing additional functionalities such as improved privacy and scalability. So yep, let's get started our demonstration process. First, what we have to do, go on any browser and then search about techlatest.net website and click on product and support page. Then here you can find about the Bitcoin full node offerings in blockchain option. Then if you click on Bitcoin full node offerings, so here you can find about all the things like about section, GCP deployment guide, AWS deployment guide, Azure deployment guide, and ordinal description guide. These all things we have covered in our course, ordinal upgrade guide, free, and you can also find about the free course on Bitcoin full node. So if you click on GCP deployment guide, because in this lecture we'll cover GCP deployment guide. If you click on GCP deployment guide, here you can see that installing Bitcoin full node with ordinal protocol support on Ubuntu Google Cloud Platform, Google Cloud VM. Okay, so this section describe how to launch and connect to the Bitcoin full node kit in a Google Cloud environment. So you can also read the note here. Then here you can find about all the things like how you get started and like what is the this is a step-by-step process. What is first step, what is second step? So if you click on first step, so first step is open Bitcoin full node listing on GCP marketplace. Okay, so here you can see that this will take 1 or 2 minutes. So yes, here you can see that Bitcoin full node with ordinal protocol support on Google Cloud by techlatest.net get fully synced Bitcoin node with ordinal wallet in just few minutes. Here you can find about the overview and pricing, documentation, support, related products. So you can check the overview. So here you can see that all after this, you can log in with your credentials like email and password. And I'm already logging with the credentials. So yep, after this, what we have to do, click on launch button. This will start launching, and it will take 1 or 2 minutes to like launch. Here you can see that deployment name, machine type, then series, machine type, zone. You can also select the zone according to your zone. Boot disk size in GB, then you can find out the network and all the things. Then after this, what you have to do, click on deploy. Then here you can see that Bitcoin full node 2 is being deployed, and here it is started deployed. And here you can find about all the things like Bitcoin full node with ordinal support, protocol support, and Google Cloud. Then instance, you will see the instance admin user by default it is Ubuntu. And again, we go on our guide and let's see what is the next step. So after deploying, a summary page displays when the compute engine successfully deployed. Click on the instance link to go on the instance page. On the instance page, click on the access button. Select open in browser window. It will want let's move further. This will open accessible window in browser. Run below command to set the password for the Ubuntu user. So you can run this command after some when your summary page is displays. Go on SSS option. You click on open in browser window. This will open this SSL window in a browser. Run the command to set the password for the Ubuntu user. Yep, it is successfully deployed. If you click on instance, so here you can see the instance detail page, and we have instance detail. And after this, what we have to do, click on SSL option, then click on open in browser option. And next, what we have to do, this will open SSL window in browser, run below command, so you can run below command line. Yes. So let's see what is the next step. Now the password was over to user set. You can connect to Chromium desktop for my little Windows machine using RDP protocol or Linux machine using Terminal. Connect using RDP via Windows machine. First note the extra live in the VM details page as shown. Uh, VM details page as highlighted below. So if you go there, here you can see the external IP address. So copy this address. We have yes. So here you can set up the password from this command. You any new password according to your preference. Again, retype the password. Then, I'm having some wrong. Now you can see that password updated successfully. Now what we have to do next? Okay, so copy the IP address, and after copying the IP address, then for my local Windows machine, go to the start menu search box and select remove desktop option. So remove desktop option is the IP. Click on connect and click on yes. And here you can see that you can log in into Bitcoin full node to VM. Give username Ubuntu. By default, it is Ubuntu. Then give your password. You will authenticate or set up in sudo password Ubuntu set step. Click on OK. They're all set. Oh, think I will give wrong password. Give me a minute. Now you can see that it is. And what we have to do next? This will connect you to the VM desktop environment. Provide Ubuntu as a user ID, password is set up set in the step 6 to indicate we have already completed the steps. Now I'll connect it to out of the box full node environment via Windows machine. So if we see that we are connected to out of the box environment via Windows, and here you can find out the letter, Bitcoin diffuser studio code, terminal and monitor source code. Okay, you can check all the things. Connect using RDP via Linux machine. First note the external IP of the VM on the VM details page. Then from local Windows machine, go to the menu in the search box, type in Remina. So if you are a Linux user, so you can use Remina for setup. In the Remina desktop remote desktop client wizard, select the RDP option from the drop down and paste the external IP and click enter. This will connect to the VM desktop environment. Provide Ubuntu as a user ID and password set in the step 6 to authenticate. Click OK. Now I have connected to out of the box full node environment via Linux machine. So if we check the Bitcoin directories, all Bitcoin related data is stored in the home/Bitcoin directory. If you go on home, and Bitcoin wallet and configuration file bitcoin.conf are located under home/ubuntu/dot. Bitcoin directory. Once VM is provisioned, you can start Bitcoin node either via command line or using Bitcoin Qt volume. Start Bitcoin sync process using command line. Go to terminal and execute below command at the Ubuntu user. Daemon is a backlog. If you copy this command and if you go on our terminal, you check this. Give me a minute.
You can see that daemon is running now. Okay, and if you want to stop this to verify the command execution or to monitor the daemon, you can tail the Bitcoin debug log. So you can run this command again and then start Bitcoin sync process using ring GUI. So if you want to start Bitcoin sync process using GUI, so you can run this command how to stop uh, beacon diamond. To manually stop beacon diamond, you run below command, that is Bitcoin CLI stop. Delete the wallet.date file. By running this command, you can run this command. Okay, so yep, and it's all about this video. We will set up all the things and yes, so you can also explore these all things like Bitcoin QT, Lather, and all the things. So yep, that's all about this video, and I hope you guys are like this course. And yep, we will meet in next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and follow on our all on YouTube.